Let me speak to the woman who has been going through a hard season and you don't even feel like yourself anymore. Maybe you're exhausted all the time. Maybe your body feels off. Maybe you've tried to work out, eat better, but nothing is responding the way it used to. And on top of that, you're carrying stress, emotions, life, and no one is really thinking about how that affects your body. What you're feeling is not just in your head. Your nervous system matters. When you've been through a hard season, such as loss, stress, overwhelm, divorce, your body doesn't respond the same way to workouts, diet, and pressure. I've been there. I've gone through seasons where I was dealing with loss, stress, and things that completely changed me. And I had to learn that forcing my body harder wasn't the answer. That's why the way I coach women is different. It's not just about workouts. It's about rebuilding your body, your energy, your confidence in a way that your body can actually handle. For you, it might not be about doing more. It might be about training in a way that supports your body, letting your system recover, and simplifying everything so you can actually feel progress again. You're not stuck. You're not broken. Your body just needs a different approach right now. If this is you and you're tired of feeling this way, message me simple, and I will help you figure out what your body actually needs right now. A lot of women think they need more discipline when really they just need support and the right approach for the season they're in. All right, go out, make it a great day.